about studying MBBS abroad and considering Lincoln American University, but you are confused about the fee structure, admission process, or whether it's the right choice for Indian students or not, then this video is exactly for you, because today we are breaking down each and everything clearly and honestly so you can make the right decision for your medical career. Hello future doctors, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will cover overview of Lincoln American University, course structure, total fees of 2026, eligibility criteria, step-by-step admission process, USMLE opportunities, hostel and student life, and finally, whether this university actually worth it or not. So make sure you watch till the end. About Lincoln American University, let's start with the basics. Lincoln American University is an international medical university that offers MD MBBS pathways for the students who want global career opportunities. Unlike many traditional low-cost universities, this institution focuses more on English medium education, US-style curriculum, clinical exposure, and preparation for the international licensing exam like USMLE. That's why many students who dream of practicing medicine in US or around consider this university. Course structure and duration. The medical program usually lasts around 5 years. It includes preclinical theory classes, lab training, clinical subjects, hospital rotation, patient interaction, and practical exposure. The curriculum is designed to build strong fundamentals and prepare students for licensing exams. Clinical training is a major focus because practical experience is what truly shapes you into a doctor. Fee structure 2026. Lincoln American University is not the cheapest option, but it offers more internationally oriented systems. Here's the estimated breakdown. Tuition fees for first year is around $13,000 and from second year onwards it's $8,000 per year. Hostel and living expenses is around $300 per month, so the total cost for the entire course approximately would be 45 to 60 lakh rupees depending upon the program and the lifestyle. So families must plan their finances for the entire duration, not just for the first year. Eligibility for Indian students. If you are an Indian student, here are the basic eligibility requirements. Minimum 50% in physics, chemistry, bio. NEET qualification is mandatory. Minimum age should be 17 years and a valid passport. Usually, IELTS is not required, but since the program is in English fluency is important. Also, always check NMC guidelines if you are planning to practice in India after graduation. USMLE opportunities. One of the biggest reasons students choose Lincoln American University is USMLE preparation. The curriculum includes USMLE-based teaching style, concept-based learning, clinical cases discussion, and guidance for residency pathway. But here's something very important. No university can guarantee USMLE success. It completely depends on your study preparation, your discipline, and your consistency. The university provides the environment, but success depends on you. Students who work hard can pursue their residency in the US after clearing the required steps. Hostel and student life. Facility typically includes shared hostel rooms, international student communities, Indian food options, safe campus environment, and student support services. Living expenses are manageable as compared to Western countries, and living in an international environment helps you adapt global medical standards. So overall, lifestyle is comfortable and student friendly. Admission process, step by step. Here's how admission process works. Step 1. Submit all the following documents: valid passport, 10th and 12th mark sheet, valid NEET scorecard. Step 2. Receive the admission letter. Step 3. Pay the initial fees. Step 4. Apply for the visa. And step 5. Fly and enrollment. That's it. The process is straightforward, but apply early as seats are limited. Who should choose Lincoln American University? This university is best for the students who are serious about USMLE, who are ready for the hard work and who want international exposure. It may not be ideal if you are looking for an easy degree or not ready for the intense competition. So choose wisely. Conclusion. So, is Lincoln American University worth it? Yes, but for the students who are aiming for global medical careers. But remember, your success depends more on your effort than the university name. So work hard, stay disciplined, stay focused. That's what makes the great doctor. And of course, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and share with the friends. Because your journey to becoming a doctor starts with the right decision. See you in the next video, future doctors.